Hey guys, thank you for checking out my new video here. I'm doing a quick unboxing of a package I've been excited for a minute. This is the limited run games.com edition of Turok's 1 and 2. The special N64 cartridge and case looking version and everything. This is something that I ordered this way back in August and it finally arrived, and I am ecstatic. These are some of my favorite games from my childhood, and this is legit right now, guys. I'm telling you right now. Let me start firstly with just go in order. I'll start with the first one. So this is the first Turok. It came out back in 1997 in the N64, and I have so many. This is actually the first ever FPS game I ever played as a kid, and I have such fond memories of this. My brother got this one Christmas, and we just got hooked immediately. It was something so different and new, and they remastered this on PC a couple years back, and now they brought it to Nintendo Switch. Limited Run Games did this special kind of N64 case. Amazing. It's actually the same exact, it's pretty much the same exact size as the case was on the original. You know, really impressive. Has a kind of a color shimmer here, has an embossed text and everything, and like that little only from Nintendo thing, but instead they put limited run. And yeah, so both of these are incredible. And this is Turok 2 right here, and this is probably one of the best sequels ever made. I think a lot of people consider it actually superior to the original. It took everything that was crazy about the original and just times it by 10 and beyond. So comes with the 2 special cases, beautifully done. These special cards, limited run, I guess, collector cards. I guess with each game they do, they have this kind of special card that's limited, and it's really nice. Really nice shimmer on there, the colors, very good. So let's unbox these. I was debating whether or not I was gonna open these, but I mean, I can't help it. I mean, I love these games, and I really want to see everything this has to offer. So let's take a look. So first off, I'm going to unbox the original, and let's see. God, I'm so hyped, honestly. I've been waiting a minute for these to come in the mail. And yeah, so let's see. It's essentially Nintendo's. I love how that whole style with the Nintendo Switch case, in the style of the N64. So the inside here has a divider in the middle. Unless that's actually. Oh no, sorry, that's actually the soundtrack. Yeah, so it comes with the official game soundtrack. All the tracks here are on the back. Incredibly impressive. I mean, this is amazing. It comes with the actual Switch cartridge. Yes, cartridge, but case. This case, these cases, this style you can actually get in Best Buy. They sell this as well. But it's just, of course, it's just the Nintendo Switch case, not the limited edition one. Let's see here. Comes with a poster, which I'm going to leave closed for now. Now this is incredible. This is the limited edition with this edition cartridge. It's not an actual cartridge, but it's made in the style of the N64 cartridge. This is sort of like a bronze here. Oh man, this is amazing. It has a nice weight to it. Feels really solid, and it's of course embossed and everything. Really something beautiful. I mean, wow. And then that's pretty much the whole contents of the first box. But this is unfreaking believable, honestly, guys. I'm so happy I was able to snag one of these. It's so worth it. I mean, it's really something. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the side for now, and I'm gonna unbox the second game. So let's take a look and see. This one, I believe the cartridge inside of this one is black, or sort of kind of charcoal black. I mean, wow, this is unbelievable. It feels exactly like the original case did on the N64, with that kind of embossed feeling on the dinosaur skin there, scales. Yep. man, something. This really is something beautiful. Let's see here. Same thing. I have the poster, which I'm gonna keep closed for now. The case, which is interesting here because it has a very, very nice embossed feel, nice shimmer to it. Let's see what else we got here. We have the soundtrack, of course, all the different tracks. Port of Audio is actually a bit of a famous one there, very popular amongst the fans. And here we go. This here, oh my goodness, this is incredible. I mean, they're both beautiful, but this one here has that nice weight to it. If I'm not mistaken, I believe the original cartridge on the N64 actually was black with the artwork in the middle. But this is incredible. Beautiful embossing, beautiful weight to it. Just, oh man, this is incredible. But yeah, so that's basically the contents of the second box. So this whole thing here, oh man, this is incredible. I was so glad I was able to snag one of these. You know, this is one of my favorite franchises from my childhood. And they really, really, really did an excellent job. Basically, this is a giant love letter to these games, and they did such a great job honoring these games. And oh man, if you can actually snag one of these on eBay, I mean, I think it's actually worth it. I know it's gonna be a lot more than what the original was, but if you're passionate about these games and you know you had a great time playing these as a kid, and you know, this is definitely worth it. I mean, it's incredible, guys. So, but that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and you know, they also, if you want just the regular games, they do sell these in Best Buy, just the regular cases. So I think they look a little different though. I think these have like special embossing. The ones in Best Buy probably don't. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you later. Anyways, this franchise was born on the N60 on the Nintendo, so it's only meaningful and right that it goes back to Nintendo. Even though it's from a comic book, but still. Gulp. Gulp.
The color of the game.
Yeah. Oops. Oops. Ah. Jump.
Well, you play one hand.
Yeah, I know.
Greetings, Turok. I am Adon. The elders of the Lost Land, known as the Lazarus Concordance, have charged me with the task of guiding you on your quest to stop the Primogen. The Primogen seeks to destroy the 5 energy totems that keep him imprisoned within the wreckage of his light chip. If he succeeds in destroying all 5 energy totems, he will be freed, and the blast wave of temporal energy unleashed will destroy your universe. You must stop the Primogen, Turok. Protect the energy totems at all costs. You will also be given additional mission objectives as you venture deeper into each of the worlds that you must explore. The Port of Adia. This once peaceful coastal village has been utterly destroyed by the Dinosaurid army under the Primogen's command. In the hills surrounding the city, the battle wages on as stragglers are hunted down ruthlessly. The Dinosaurids are genetically engineered dinosaur hybrids. They are utterly evil and very dangerous. Though they do the Primogen's bidding, the Dinosaurids have a more sinister and personal agenda of their own, to see humankind wiped from the face of the earth. Your mission objectives are as follows. Activate 3 distress beacons. Rescue 4 children. Activate the warp portals. Locate the energy totem and defend it at all costs.